Welcome to this Excel mastery session, where we delve into the intricacies of summing the largest n values in your dataset. Today, we're uncovering two powerful methods that elevate your data analysis game. Let's explore the magic together. In our first method, we harness the elegance of Excel formulas which consist of sumProduct and large functions. Equals sumProduct, large, A2, A11, 1, 2, 3, 4. This formula gracefully sums up the largest n values, providing flexibility and precision. Let's dive into the simple yet impactful world of Excel formulas. In a cell, input this formula. Adjust the range A2, A11 and array 1, 2, 3, 4 based on your data and desired n values. Press enter, and witness the sum of the largest n values unfold. Now, let's embark on our second method, a journey into the world of VBA enchantment. With a user-defined function, we can add a touch of personalization to the way we sum the largest n values. Let's unravel the magic. Press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic for Applications, VBA, editor. In the editor, go to Insert, Module to add a new module. Copy and paste the provided VBA code into the module. Close the VBA editor. Now, you can use the function in your worksheet. For example, if you want to sum the largest 4 values in the range A2, A11, enter the formula in a cell. Equals sum largest n, A2, A11, 4. Press enter. This function uses a basic sorting algorithm to arrange the values in descending order and then sums the largest n values. Adjust the range and n value as needed for your specific dataset. By mastering these two methods, you're equipped to efficiently sum the largest n values in your Excel sheets. Stay tuned for more Excel insights. And don't forget to subscribe for future tips. Share this newfound knowledge with your peers, and, as always, thanks for being part of our Excel journey.